How to fix logo width and size in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the online store editor. So just click online store right here in the sidebar, and then from here, just click edit theme on the theme that you're currently using. So from here, click edit theme, and then you will have the logo right here. So if you don't have the logo yet, so for example, I will remove it right here in theme settings, and then let me just click remove, and then it will just have your store name right here. So I just have a sample name as my store name, so that's why it says sample name. So if you want to put your logo, just go ahead, click select, and then from here you can upload your logo right here. Or what you can also do is that you can also click explore free images if you want to test out the images right here. But I'm just going to upload my logo right here. So I'm just going to click select, click add files. From here, let's go ahead and pick a picture of a logo, which is this one. So from here, we'll just wait for it to be uploaded. And then click done. Then we have the logo right here. So if you want to change the size, you can just go ahead and go to the width option right here, or the width setting. So you can just go ahead and use the slider right here to change the size. So for example, the minimum size is 50 pixels. So you have a small logo like this. And then the maximum size is 300 pixels. And then you will have a big logo like that. So just go ahead and use the slider right here and adjust the value to the size of the logo that you want to use. And then if you want to change the position of the logo, you can just simply click on the header section right here. And then we should go to the settings. So let me click on the header, and then you should open the settings right here, or it should open here in the sidebar. And then for the logo position, so you can choose either to the middle left, middle center, or the top left, or the top center. So just choose your preferred look right here. And then you can also change the logo position if you're using the mobile version of the website. So we can change the view right here to the mobile view. And then you can choose if you want the mobile logo position to be at the center or to the left. So just go ahead and choose your preference. So from here, it doesn't really move that much, since I think it also depends on the size of the logo that you're currently using. So let me change the size. Let's go back right here to the header. And then there you can see that it's positioned to the left or the center. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can change the width and size of the logo right here in Shopify. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.